News on the housing meltdown tonight. We've covered this story a lot here on this broadcast. Newspapers are full of headlines on it every day. Foreclosures have reached record levels in this country and then some. A lot of families who want to stay in their homes, don't want to walk away, are having a hard time renegotiating the terms of their loans. If avoiding foreclosure, as they say, helps borrowers and lenders both, why is it then so difficult? Here is our NBC News senior investigative correspondent, Lisa Myers.
In Maryland, the surge began more than a year ago.
Good afternoon, Maryland Department of Housing. How may we help you?
Homeowners calling, threatened with foreclosure, desperate.
It started out as a wave and it turned into a real tsunami.
The tsunami hit in this office. Like many other states caught by surprise, Maryland scrambled. It set up a mortgage hotline right here to handle the thousands of incoming calls. The goal, encourage mortgage companies to provide a lifeline to borrowers by modifying existing loans to reduce interest rates or monthly payments. The mortgage industry claims it has helped almost 1.6 million Americans rework their loans. But most of those are merely repayment plans for what's overdue, not loan modifications that actually reduce interest or the overall amount owed. Professor Alan White analyzed the raw numbers. This line reflects loan modifications. This one shows the number of Americans facing foreclosure. So what struck you about these numbers?
Well, we have some homeowners being helped, but there's a much larger group here that still needs help.
White estimates that 2/3 of those who need help are not getting it. It took months for Melissa and Travis Simon of Waterloo, Iowa, to get the help they needed from their loan company.
I called them every day, all day, because you would be on hold and I'd have to hang up again. They were not willing to help.
On the verge of giving up, the Simons went to a counseling service, then to Iowa's state mediation service, which persuaded their loan servicer countrywide to modify their loans, reducing interest rates by almost half. Because of its experience 2 decades ago with farm foreclosures, Iowa's ahead of most states in bringing pressure to bear on reluctant lenders and embarrassed borrowers to find common ground.
I don't know, you want mediation services? How may I help you?
I'm being foreclosed on.
Iowa's Attorney General says borrowers need to ask for help, and lenders need to be more willing to make concessions and modify loans.
Everybody wins. The homeowner stays in the home and has an affordable loan. The lender or the investor gets more money in these kinds of situations than they would on foreclosure.
The Simons and their family home were saved, but many more Americans remain in peril, waiting for a lifeline.
Well, I just need to talk to somebody.
Lisa Myers, NBC News, Crownsville, Maryland.
One more reason to go to our website tonight. We've posted a number of Web Extra interviews and resources for handling this mortgage crisis. Again, that's nightly.msnbc.com.